This is Brock from Aussie Van Man on YouTube, and if you're looking for fit for expedition, well, you found him.
Hey, so today I wanted to talk about some of the things that I like to do, that Kelly and I like to do. That's a little different than most van lifers. Most people we know like to do the outdoorsy kind of thing. They are pretty much on mountain roads and doing things that are outdoors. And so that's fire pit, camping, but sitting around the fire at night, maybe telling stories and talking about their travels, and just maybe going on a hike and that kind of thing. We like to go on hikes too, but we like to go on hikes, and we do it out there. We're totally into that outdoorsy kind of feel, but we like to do a lot of stuff in town. So we do a lot of stealth camping in towns, and we see a lot of bands, sometimes 6 or 7 a month. That is maybe a little bit different than your average van lifer. Let's take a look. So today I drove up from Tucson to Mesa to the Nile Theater to see King Parrot from Australia with my buddy Brock, who also happens to be from Australia.
One song, you puffed.
We came something like 55 miles from Australia, and you can't even fucking come 10 steps. Bit of fucking rude.
Well, yeah, you fucking assholes at the back, you can get here and get started, mate. Come on.
What are you doing? Having a wankies?
A couple of days after that, I went to check out the band Green Jelly. You might be familiar with them because they did have a hit called, it was a hard rock hit for a short time called Three Little Pigs. It's kind of a funny song about 3 little pigs. So I went and checked them out at 44 Sports Grill in Glendale, and that's basically about an hour and 15-minute drive from the Mesa Theater. And I'm able to stay on streets at night and in parking lots because I'm stealth enough.
Are you ready? Open that curtain! Everyone, give me the finger! Give me some drums! Sing it with me now! Sing! Bumping it up on your house and sing it. Bumping it up on your house and bumping it up on your house and sing it. Bumping it up on your house and great yellow sock, 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 great yellow sock.
Jax was playing in Flagstaff just a couple days later. In fact, I think it might have been the next day. So I drove up from Glendale to Flagstaff to go check out the show. This was at the Yucca Tap Room in Flagstaff. There's a Yucca Tap Room in Flagstaff. There's also one in Tempe, which is a part, basically an area right in Phoenix. I'll show you that later. told you I would tell you about the Yucca Tap Room in Tempe. There's one in Flagstaff and one in Tempe, which is central Arizona, right in the heart of Phoenix. Well, that's where we're heading right now, on a busy freeway during rush hour in Phoenix. I love this Tempe parking lot at Yucca Tap Room because I can stay the night there. Nobody ever cares. I've stayed in that parking lot several times. I've even woken up with a cop just 50 feet away from me, just doing paperwork, not even caring. So that's kind of a cool thing. So it's a nice place that you can go to. You can have a couple drinks, you can go see the show, and then just crash outside afterwards. The bar opens at like 6 or 7 in the morning too, and then it closes at 2. So that's probably why. So I went to see Slapshot there. Been there a bunch of times, see a lot of bands. Slapshot is a punk rock band from Boston. Back to Tucson, I went to catch a wrestling show, which are always fun, entertaining, and actually sometimes funny. And once in a while you get a good match. So this is a battle royale. This is the end of the show. It's at one of the VFWs in Tucson. So tell me, do you like to do these kinds of things when you're on the road, or are you just kind of like an outdoorsy person, just stick to the outdoors? I built this truck so that I can do outdoors. I can drive on forest roads. It's got a big lift kit on it, and it's dually in the back, so it can get to a lot of places as long as the trees aren't overhanging too shallow. But I also built it so it's stealth enough to just park on the street, and that's what we do a lot, and that's what we enjoy. So leave a comment if you enjoy doing some of the stealth stuff, if you like going to entertainment districts and sleeping right there and checking out bands and checking out entertainment, and also if you only do the outdoors, out in the forest kind of thing, which most of the people we know do that. So let me know in the comments, and appreciate you watching. Maybe leave a thumbs up and actually subscribe to the channel. That would help a lot.